Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 history chapter traders, kings and pilgrims. Viewers, before starting the video, I would like to request you please tell me where from you are watching the video and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Let's start. First question is the route leading to the south is called dash. Answer is Dakshina Patha. Next question is techniques of making silk were first invented in dash. Answer is China. Next question is dash composed a biography of the Buddha. Answer is Ashwagosha. Ashwaghosh composed the biography of Buddha. Next question is Buddha's attainment of enlightenment was shown by the sculpture of dash. Answer is people tree, by the sculpture of people tree. Next question is Theravada Buddhism was the dash form of Buddhism. Answer is older. Theravada is the older form of Buddhism. Next question is dash was the most famous Buddhist monastery of the period. Answer is Nalanda. Nalanda was the most famous Buddhist monastery of that period. Next question is dash is generally understood as a person's devotion to his or her chosen deity. Answer is bhakti. Next question is dash were supposed to be persons who had attained enlightenment. Answer is bodhisattva. Bodhisattva were supposed to be enlightened person. Next question is making dash is a complicated process. Answer is silk. Next question is the path followed by silk traders came to be known as dash. Answer is silk route because traders carried silk with them. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.